it's Michael Saul, also known as Tiny, with the market video for the week of August 19th, 2013. So last week, the market took a downturn. The first 3 days, we formed yet another mini coil. This one finally broke on Thursday with a gap down that didn't fill, didn't look back. Friday, we had a little bit of continuation. The NASDAQ paused, didn't go lower yet, but the Russell, the S&P, and the Dow all went lower. So now the S&P is at the 50-day moving average here. Now we are very oversold here. We are stretched on a short-term basis. As of right now, it looks to me that this is another pullback in an uptrend. Now this doesn't mean that, okay, we're at the 50-day moving average, so it's time to buy here. Not necessarily, but I am going to be watching for any confirmation that this low will hold. I'd love to see in the beginning of the week either a test to it or even a little break of it that came back above it. And then I'm going to be watching that next bounce. If the bounce is lame, if there's no volume, if we can't get going back into this gap, well, then I'm going to be watching for the 50-day moving average to be taken out, and I'm going to be looking for more downside. But right now, I'm still looking at it as a pullback from highs. There is a small head and shoulders pattern here that has its measured move a little further down. But if it does get that, it's going to be into this level of resistance, and you also have Fibonacci numbers to watch. Levels of support, not resistance. And you got Fibonacci numbers to watch too. So there are a lot of reasons that we could get a bounce, but like I just said, that bounce is going to be critical, because if we can't get going with breadth and volume and leadership, then, it looks like we're going to be headed down for lower prices for the time being. Again, I don't see this as the top, but that can absolutely change if more evidence starts to mount. All right, feel free to contact me, Tiny at stockmarkettrendx.com. Join the mailing list, get your daily email from me. Go to stockmarkettrendx.com to sign up. Also, we have the newsletter available as well. It's still free. Otherwise, I will talk to you again next week. Have a great trading week, and let's see what the market's up to here. Looks like August could pick up in the volatility.